If it happens that there is certain cyber crime which you encounter, how to report the cyber crime in India? First thing is, any crime, you need to visit the nearest police station. You can also do it online. First thing is, nearest police station, every state, every district have a cyber cell now. So all the complaints relating to this crime is going to cyber cell. And if you want to do it online, just visit National Cyber Crime Reporting Portal. Let me tell you again, National Cyber Crime Reporting Portal, and the portal, the URL is cybercrime.gov.in. In this portal, there are two sections. One section is related to girls, women and children, where the reports you can file anonymously. You don't have to give your name or any information. You can do this. The police is going to take care of it. There is another section which is to report other type of cyber crimes. There are different type of cyber crimes that happen, which we discussed already. There is a pan-India number, helpline number, which is 155260. This also you can try. You will get all the information, and right position, right place you have to file your complaint. There are certain questions which always come into our mind when we are affected by this. Where can I report cyber crime in India? So first, we see cyber is basically internet data. So this is all over world. So filing a complaint, first is your nearest cyber cell if you have it, and then you can also lodge an FIR in a police station. But first information report is done in certain cases. As I said, you can file a complaint in cybercrime.gov.in. Here also you can file your complaint. There is one more question. How can I complain about cybercrime? So first is, you can write a proper letter. That is what we have been doing for any kind of situation. You have to write a proper letter to the head of the cybercrime. And what is the complaint? What is the offense type? What is the detail of a victim? And who is the abuser? Sometimes you don't know abuser. So if it is not available, it is okay. But if someone you know, you can name him or her. Then there are certain cyber offenses which are penalized under IPC, Indian Penal Code. So if they are under IPC, not all, some of them. So the complaints or FIR can also be filed to the nearest police station. The police station will take actions for this crime under IPC and will forward the complaints to a cyber cell. Finally, the cyber cell is going to take care. In case of cognizable offenses, where a warrant is not required for arrest, we can also file the zero FIR. Zero FIR can also be filed. One more is, how do I report cybercrime online? Again, cybercrime.gov.in, and this is initiated by Government of India. You can report directly here and you will get your solution from here for sure. Can I file an FIR online? Yes. See, why? Because it is mandatory under section 154, the Code of Criminal Procedure, for every police officer to record the information complained of an offence wherever the jurisdiction is, irrespective of jurisdiction of the crime was committed. Because on internet, crime can be committed from anywhere, but you know your place. So you can first try for your local, otherwise online is already there. So you can online file the FIR also, right? Because there is a total process, total procedure. I hope this will solve your problem. So thank you so much. Take care of yourself.